Hi YouTube family, my name is Elysia English and welcome back to my channel. We just surpassed 8,000 subscribers. You guys are inspiring me every day to create more content, so thank you for your support. When I was younger, tie-dye was all the trend when I was maybe about 8 to 10 years old. Well, guess what? It's back. So during this video, I'm going to show you how you can bleach tie-dye your own shirts. The best thing about this project is you can do it for under $5 with just a couple simple ingredients. To create this project, you're going to need a dark colored t-shirt that's cotton, a pair of rubber gloves, some elastic bands, a bowl with water, some bleach, and a spray bottle. The first thing I'm gonna do is dampen my cotton shirt. Now I'm gonna add some Clorox bleach into my water. You're gonna do about 3 parts water to 1 part bleach. Using a fork, I'm going to create a spiral effect on my t-shirt, cinching it together. Then I'm going to elastic it together to keep the shape. I'm going to use a few rubber bands and hold it together. Wearing gloves, I'm going to submerge my t-shirt into my bleach and water, and I'm gonna let it sit there for a little while. Within about 2 minutes, you should start seeing the color change on your t-shirt. Because the top of my shirt is not underneath the water, you wanna be able to flip it over partway through. I've left my shirt for about 8 minutes and now I'm going to remove it from the water. I'm going to squeeze out some extra water and then I'm going to remove my elastics. I'm super excited with the way this turned out. I'm gonna go throw this in the wash machine and then the dryer while I work on my next t-shirt. So this t-shirt is a black t-shirt and I'm going to write the words create, inspire, and dream on the front using vinyl. And then I'm going to use a spray bottle with my bleach and spray and mist around it, making it kind of look like paint splatters. I'm hoping maybe my dots will turn white and I'll have a shirt that I can wear perfect in the shop. So I've put my slogan using vinyl onto the t-shirt, create, inspire, dream. And now what I'm going to do is do 1 part bleach to 2 parts water into a spray bottle. The look that I'm going for this one is more like white paint splatter and then showing the words create, inspire, dream once I remove the vinyl at the end. So we're gonna see what happens. I think this turned out great. I left it for about 10 minutes and now I'm going to remove my vinyl letters and hope that it didn't bleed the bleach underneath. I'm gonna get this in the wash right away so it can stop the bleach from being active. I'm thrilled with the way that my tie-dye t-shirt turned out. Using bleach really did make a big impact on this burgundy colored shirt. I'm really surprised at how well my font turned out and how crisp my lines were, considering I just used vinyl and my spray bottle. Thought it would be super fun to make one of these for one of my subscribers. Leave me a comment down below to be entered into a draw to win one made by me. I had so much fun making these t-shirts, they'll be perfect for me to wear in the shop. I hope this video inspired you to create some of your own bleach dye t-shirts. If you like this DIY, hit that like button and give it a try yourself. Don't forget to hit subscribe. We'll see you on the next project.